In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pattern in Photopea. Start by opening Photopea and creating a new project using the New Project option. You can select a square canvas or any size you prefer depending on your design needs, then click Create. To build a pattern, you can either design an element directly inside Photopea or import an existing design from your computer. If you already have a design element, click on File at the top left and choose Open and Place to bring it into your canvas. Resize it so it properly fits within the canvas area and represents the tile you want to repeat. Once your design element is ready, convert it into a pattern. Click on Edit in the top menu, scroll down to Define New, and select Pattern. This will save your current design as a reusable pattern. To apply this pattern, you can open a new project or continue working in the current one. Go to Layer in the top menu, hover over New Fill Layer, and choose Pattern Fill. In the Properties panel, click the small arrow next to the pattern preview and select the pattern you just created. You can adjust the scale slider to control how large or small the pattern appears across the canvas. After adjusting the scale, close the Properties panel and you will see the pattern evenly applied. If you prefer to apply the pattern inside a shape or text instead of the entire canvas, create a shape or add text first. Then right-click that layer and choose Blending Options. In the Layer Style window, select Pattern Overlay, click the arrow to choose your newly created pattern, and adjust the scale as needed. Click OK to apply it. You can use the same method to apply the pattern to any shape, text, or design element within your project. And this is how you can make a pattern in Photopea.